In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate follow-ups in Folk CRM and give you a quick overview of what Folk CRM is all about. Whether you're just starting with CRM tools or looking to simplify your processes, this video will help you get the most out of Folk's powerful features, especially its follow-up automation. First off, if you're new to Folk CRM, it's an intuitive customer relationship management tool designed to help you manage your contacts and streamline communication. One of its standout features is the ability to automate follow-ups, perfect for busy marketers, sales teams, or anyone handling multiple clients and leads. The best part? You can start using Folk CRM completely free through the link in the description, and I'll also share some exclusive bonuses that will help you hit the ground running. Now let's dive into how to automate follow-ups in Folk CRM. This feature is a game changer when it comes to keeping track of your contacts and ensuring you never miss an opportunity to connect with potential clients or customers. Instead of manually sending follow-up emails or messages, Folk lets you automate this process, saving you time and effort. To start, you'll want to create a new sequence within the CRM. This sequence can be customized to match your communication style and your follow-up goals. Whether you're reaching out after a meeting, reminding someone about a product demo, or just checking in after a lead shows interest, you can set up a sequence of emails or messages to automatically send at intervals you choose. Next, you'll add your contacts to the sequence. Folk CRM makes it easy to manage your contacts by letting you segment them into groups based on tags or lists, so you can send tailored follow-up messages to specific segments. This segmentation ensures your follow-ups are relevant and personalized rather than generic mass emails. Once your sequence is set up and contacts are added, Folk takes over. It will automatically send your follow-up messages at the scheduled times, and you'll be able to track who has opened, clicked, or responded to your messages. This means you can focus on more strategic tasks while Folk handles the repetitive follow-ups for you. But that's not all. Folk also allows you to trigger follow-ups based on specific actions. For example, if a contact opens an email but doesn't respond, Folk can automatically send a reminder email. You can even use custom conditions to determine when a follow-up should be sent, which is great for staying on top of every lead or customer interaction. Now, if you want to take things to the next level, you can integrate Folk CRM with other apps you use. This ensures that your follow-ups are not just automated within Folk, but are also tied to other aspects of your business operations, like your calendar, task management systems, or email marketing tools. Before you go, remember that Folk CRM offers an extended free trial when you sign up through the link below. This exclusive offer will give you full access to all the features you need to get started with automating your follow-ups, including some additional bonuses to really make the most out of the CRM. With Folk CRM, you can automate your follow-ups and take your customer management to the next level, all without the hassle of manual follow-up processes. If you want to keep your leads warm and your contacts engaged while freeing up your time, Folk CRM is definitely worth trying out. So if you haven't already, click the link below to get started with your free trial and take advantage of the bonuses. Automate your follow-ups, save time, and grow your business efficiently.